வாழ்க வளமுடன் வாழ்க வையகம். Welcome all my dear friends to our pharmacy. In this pharmacy competitive examination revision point of view, today we are going to revise 5 important multiple choice type questions from pharmaceutics monophasic liquid dosage forms for internal use. First question, the weight per volume percentage of sucrose in simple syrup IP is dash. Very simplest question, 2/3 portion. Okay, so 75, 50, 66.7 percentage and 40 percentage. Okay, so the weight per volume percentage of sucrose in simple syrup is already told the clue, no? 2/3, 2 parts in 3 parts, so that is 66.7 percentage weight per volume. Okay, the correct answer is 66.7 percentage weight per volume. That is the weight per volume percentage of sucrose in simple syrup IP. Okay, then the second question is, elixirs are dash: alcoholic solution, hydroalcoholic solution, aqueous solution, none of the above. Okay, so 4 options have been mentioned here. We have to select the exact correct answer. Okay, aqueous solution and none of the above, these are not the correct answer. One is alcoholic solution and another one is hydroalcoholic solution. From these two only the one of the answer will be selected. Okay, so we have to check whether the elixirs are alcoholic solution or hydroalcoholic solution. You can check that elixirs are dash: alcoholic solution or hydroalcoholic solution. So it is mixed with water, no, so that's why it is called as hydroalcoholic solution. Elixirs are hydroalcoholic solution. That is the second answer for the second question. Okay, then the question number 3, pediatric kaolin mixture contains dash: light kaolin, light magnesium oxide, heavy kaolin and none of the above. Okay, I repeat the question once again. Pediatric kaolin mixture contain dash: light kaolin, light magnesium oxide, heavy kaolin and none of the above. So we can guess the answer by using some simple clues. So this is the pediatric kaolin mixture, so it will be having some light. I mean, for adults now it will be heavy, for pediatric means it will be light. Okay, so kaolin mixture means usually it will be having the kaolin, that is the major ingredient. Okay, so we can guess. So heavy kaolin and none of the above will not be the correct answer. Then light kaolin or light magnesium oxide, two answers will be available. We can select either first option or second option. The correct answer is light kaolin. Okay, pediatric kaolin mixture contains light kaolin. Then question number 4, which one of these substances is added to make elixirs sweet in taste? So already we had discussion with the elixirs. These are hydroalcoholic preparation. If you want to make the elixir in sweet taste, we have to add dash: glucose, sucrose, saccharin, sodium and none of the above. Okay, so which one will be the correct answer? Whether it may be glucose or sucrose or saccharin, sodium or none of the above, which one may be the correct answer? I repeat the question once again. Which one of these substances is added to make elixir sweet in taste? The correct answer is sucrose. Okay, sucrose is the correct answer. Then fifth question, lemon spirit is used in the mixture as dash: preservative, flavoring agent, vehicle and none of the above. Lemon spirit is used in the mixture as dash: preservative, flavoring agents, vehicle and none of the above. None of the above is not the correct answer. So vehicle also not the correct answer, because vehicle means it will be made up to particular volume. So flavoring agent here, what type of flavoring agent may be used? or what type of preservative used? The answer is coming from 1 or 2. Lemon spirit is used in the mixer as dash. For what purpose we are adding lemon spirit in the mixer? For preservative purpose. The correct answer is preservative. Okay, so we are wishing all the dear pharmacy graduates for your successful brightful future and successful GPAT, ESIC, RRB, MRB and DI, any other competitive examination success. Again we are wishing for the successful brightful future. அருள் பேராற்றல் கருணையினால் உடல் நலம், நீள ஆயுள், நிறை செல்வம், உயர்ப்புகள், மெய்ஞானம் ஓங்கி வாழ்க. வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். அருள் பேராற்றல் இரவும் பகலும் எல்லா இடங்களிலும் எல்லா தொழில்களிலும் எல்லா நேரங்களிலும் உறுதுணையாகவும் பாதுகாப்பாகவும் வழி நடத்துவதாகவும் அமையுமாக. வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். Thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.